In this video, we are going to see the exercise given in your book. Actually, we have shared a PDF file with you for your exercise. In this video, we are going to see question D, E, F. So D is some application based question, page 10 and 11. Varun wants to buy a thin and light monitor in place of his old monitor. What type of monitor should Varun buy? Thin and light monitor instead of his old monitor. He want to replace his old monitor. So thin and lightweight can be LCD or LED monitors, right? Second question, Smriti has lost her notebook in the class and next day she has to appear for test. She has lost her book and she does not have anything to read. Which device will you suggest her to take the photocopy of the chapters from her friend's book? So I will suggest her to take a picture with the help of a digital camera, right? Third question, Surbi wants to record her voice into the computer. Which device will you suggest her to use? We use to record our voice, that is microphone, right? Now we go to question E, multiple choice questions. Which output device allow you to hear sound? Yes, we hear the sound with the help of speakers. Which device is used instead of mouse on laptop computers to control the movement of mouse pointer on the screen? Touch pad. Touchpad we have already seen in the last video, before that video. Which device gives output onto paper? Printer. Which device is used to select the objects directly by touching with the finger? Touch screen, right? Now comes to question F. Answer the following. First question, what are input devices? Name any two. The devices through which we enter data and instruction are called input devices. Now data and instruction we have already learned. What is data and instruction, right? Data and instruction is nothing but your input. To do input we need input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Second question, what is a printer and name the types of printer? Printer is an important part of a computer system, right? It prints the output onto the paper. The commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet, and laser. These are the three printers mostly we use. Question 3, what is the use of a light pen? A light pen is a pen-like pointing device. It is used to select objects on the display screen. It is quite similar to a mouse, except that allows you to point to the objects displayed on the screen or draw directly on it. What is the use of CPU and name the different parts of it? As we know, CPU is the brain of a computer. It's also known as system unit. CPU process and store the information. CPU helps to perform the calculations. CPU sends the result to the output devices, right? Now, the three parts of CPU is MU, CU, and ALU. Now, MU is memory unit, CU is control unit, and ALU is arithmetic and logical unit. Now, MU memory means it will store your data. CU control unit means it controls your processes, which processes to be done first, which process it has to send it for memory unit, which process is to be sent to the arithmetic and logical unit. That all the things will be controlled with the help of control unit. And then we have ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. There it is performed are all calculations, right? So these are the question answers of lesson 1, page 11. Last question, differentiate between hard copy and soft copy. Let us see what is hard copy and what is soft copy. The output printed on paper is known as hard copy, and the output that we get on a monitor is a soft copy. I'll give you one example of it. For example, I'm doing MS Paint. Okay, till your paint file, till it is in the computer, you can see on the monitor, it is a soft copy. But as you take out a printout of that picture, it becomes a hard copy. Now there is some more, we can say, difference between hard copy and soft copy. For example, hard copy, for a long period of time, it is very difficult to store, whereas soft copy is easily stored for a long period of time. For many years, you can keep it safe in your computer. But the printed copies, at a time, it get dirty, the papers are toned. So compared to hard copy, soft copy is much safe and saved for a long period of time in the computer. So this is the end of your exercise. Chapter 1, question D, E, F. A, B, C is done with Miss Jadeja. She has already shared the video with you. Any doubts, any problem, you can ask. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.